Good morning, my lovely babies. It is Thursday and I'm about to head to work. But I just want to come in and say hey to y'all. And yeah, I don't know what we're doing this weekend, but whatever we're doing, I'm gonna film it. And yes, so well, I dropped a new vlog recently on my channel, so make sure you go and watch that. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next clip. Hey my diamond babies, I'm about to take Sugar to get groomed, and then me and my aunt are going out for breakfast, so yeah, we finna go. I tried doing dramatic edges today, and I think I realized I don't know how to do dramatic edges. Like, this is my version of dramatic edges. When I pull the middle piece out, but one to my eye be leaking. Like, anybody else eye be leaking when they do their makeup? Like, IHOP. I really want some IHOP, so we're gonna eat some IHOP today. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I have to drink cold water. I can't do warm room temperature, nothing. Cold. Hey girl, look, come here. Hello. You're always sniffing something. You know you getting groomed today. 2-7, y'all, but this just looks fun. I'm gonna let her eat that, and then I will see y'all. I guess I'll see y'all in the next clip. I'm in today, Queen. Look, are you ready for your appointment? Shampoo, because I don't know what she got going on with her skin, so we're gonna see. She's doing so good. Like, she calm. She know that hair appointment. You know. She is so calm, y'all. Yeah, so see, you gonna see them later, Sugar? I'm kind of running behind, but we're 2 minutes behind. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all.
That's the same for the main page right here.
I'm trying to get us out the hood, so.
I'm gonna give you some.
Thank you.
I'm here, honey.
How you feeling today? We love your hair.
Blessed and highly favored.
I got me some water and some orange.
Yes, I'm
Orange
about to murder this. Hey girl, where you going, girl?
You look so pretty, Sugar. Sugar back. Sugar. Sugar, look, Sugar. Oh, you look so pretty. You look so cute. So cute. Hey y'all, it's later on in the night. I don't know what time it is, but I'm tired, as y'all can see. I just got out the shower. I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 9 o'clock. And pineapple chunks. I'm about to eat these. Call it a night. I love y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, it's the next day. It is Sunday. I'm getting ready to leave to go to my cousin's birthday dinner. But I wanted to show you my little outfit. Okay, so like I said before, this outfit is from Beauty Trends. I definitely should have got a 2X. Because the shirt is snug. The pants fit perfect. It's the shirt. It's the top.
I want to do that color that too. You can take
Mm-hmm. Hey y'all, we made it. But yeah, we're finna go walk. We're finna walk there.
that far walk.
Hmm?
So we ain't got far to walk.
Yeah, it ain't that far to walk. It's right on the corner, so.
This is my neck of the woods.
Say hey to the vlog.
What's going on, vlog?
I am about to wax my chin and I'm so scared. It's heating up. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's melting quick, y'all. Your girl deals with PCOS. If you don't know what PCOS is, I'll put it on the screen. I got me some chlorophyll water. Here's, if you know, you know. I got my wax here. This is the brand Cooler Wax. Oh yeah, I showed it on my last vlog, but I'm finna just gonna mix her up. I'm scared. I'm hot. The chlorophyll water, y'all. I'm putting y'all on. If y'all don't know about chlorophyll water, I'm pretty sure y'all do, but if y'all don't, this is good for like gut health and stuff, cleans you out. I want to say make sure you use the bathroom, but not like it, obviously it's cleaning you out, so you gotta use the bathroom. But I am hot, y'all. I'm not even lying, bro. Oh, it wasn't as bad. It wasn't too bad, you know.
Who tells her where to go and when? Who tells her what surgery or post-op or a non-numbness consult? She should. That's your problem.
Oh my God, that hurts.
It's like divine justice. Pretend that I'm not here.
That was a half part.
I will give
For the wax, I'm realizing that I need to keep it at 170 because 160 is too thick. Still too thick, but 170. Maybe you can do 165 to 170. But I'm doing 170 because this is the consistency. This is the consistency that I want. Oh my goodness.
It's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you.
Y'all, this one hurts so bad. Like, I gotta get it off though because it's hard. Hands are sweating. How can we pull it off? Woo! We hit 800 subscribers. Woo! We hit 800 subscribers. So thank y'all so much. We are 200 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, I love you all. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment too, because when you comment, that boosts my videos out more. So please comment, and like. And yeah, I love you all. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next one.